Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Cointiply application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cointiply app on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the continue button and you can read or skip through the guide. Then after agreeing with the terms and conditions, you will be taken into the sign up page. Now from this page, tap on the sign in button underneath. And now you will be asked to enter your credentials. Now, in order to reset your forgotten password, just tap on Forgot Password underneath, and this will then take you into the Reset Password page. First, you will be asked to enter the email address that is associated with your account. So just type in your email address and then tap on Send Password Reset link. After doing so, if you check your inbox, you will find the Reset Password button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be able to create your new password right away. Just type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can then click on the Reset Password button, and now your password will successfully be reset. You can now use this newly set password along with your original email address to once again log into your account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Cointiply application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.